Good morning, children. Let's start today's session. Yesterday we have learnt wealth definition by Adam Smith and welfare definition by Alfred Marshall. Today we are going to do two more definitions, that is scarcity definition by Lionel Robbins and growth oriented definition by Paul Samuelson. Now, according to Robbins, economics is the science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means which have alternative uses. Now, I want to clarify here few words. Ends. What do you mean by ends? Ends means target, that is wants. For example, I want to get a pen, I want to get a headphone, or I want to get a car. So, these pen, headphone, car is the ends. Now means. What do you mean by means? Means is how will I get it? By spending money or alternative uses. Now, what is alternative uses? Alternative uses means the resources we have has alternative uses like coal. Coal can be used in factories, generating electricity, railway engines, etc. C. Money can be used to buy a pen, money can be used to buy a headphone. Now, to understand this definition, we need to understand three main aspects of it. See children, first, scarce means, second, alternative uses, and third, ends. Now let's do this by taking an example. Suppose you have 20 rupees and in that 20 rupees either you can buy a chocolate worth 20 rupees or you could buy a pen worth 20 rupees. But in both the cases, either you buy a chocolate or you buy a pen, you have to forego the other things. Means if you bought the chocolate, you would forego the pen. This shows that the means what you have is scarce. Now this means which is scarce has alternative uses. This 20 rupees has two alternative uses here. Either I can buy a pen or I can buy a chocolate. So your target what you want is the end. That's why Robbins said that economics is a science of choice making. Now next is growth oriented definition which was given by Professor Paul Samuelson. This is the best definition of economics as compared to others because it has all the features of wealth, welfare and scarcity plus more addition, that is growth of economic. Samuelson defined economics as the study of how men and society choose with or without the use of money to employ the scarce productive resources which have alternative uses to produce various commodities over time and distribute them for consumption now or in future various people and groups in the society. Now, what does this mean? This means that it is not merely concerned with the allocation of resources but also with the expansion of resources. It shows how the expansion and growth of resources to be used to cope up with increasing human wants if focused on both production and consumption. This means it is both growth oriented as well as future oriented. Let's take a quick summary of this topic. There were four professors. First, Adam Smith focused on wealth. Second, Alfred Marshall focused on production and consumption activities. Third, Lionel Robbins highlighted the problem of scarcity. And fourth, Paul Samuelson focused both on growth oriented as well as future oriented. I hope you people have understood this session. Thank you so much for watching.